Did you know some people can feel storms before they form? This is what it sounds like when weather lives inside your mind. The butterflies start first. Electric wings fluttering behind my ribs when pressure drops 50 miles away. My therapist writes notes. She doesn't know I taste copper when I'm angry. Ozone fills my mouth before I even realize I'm upset. Last night I felt contractions in my stomach. Tornado forming over Kansas. My heartbeat synced with lightning strikes. 1, 2, 3. The storm breathes when I breathe. My friends are scared to make me cry now. Teachers give me perfect grades. They remember what happened when I failed that math test. The hail lasted 3 hours. The worst part isn't the power, it's after. When the sky goes quiet and every bird, every cricket, every living thing holds its breath, waiting to see if I'm done. If the girl who used to be normal is finished breaking their world. I'm not human anymore. The storms made sure of that,